eggplant yogurt tomato casserole or garlic eggplant yogurt tomato bowl or Baingan Tamatar Lasoon Raita. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt recipes and one of the most delicious of the eggplant recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most different of the garlic yogurt recipes. We're going to make eggplant tomato yogurt casserole. We have taken around 100 grams of eggplant or aubergine cut into pieces and around 2 to 3 tomatoes cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Caramel. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic piece. Salt the garlic piece. Put in the ginger, put in salt to taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in salt to taste, salt, salt and mix thoroughly, a spoon of spice mix, mix, put in the eggplant pieces or aubergine pieces, thoroughly mix. Put in the tomato piece, thoroughly saute and mix in the casserole. Saute and mix for 6 to 8 minutes until the tomatoes become soft. Around 100 ml of yogurt into the mixture. Mix. This mix thoroughly. Now the eggplant tomato yogurt casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final eggplant tomato yogurt casserole or garlic eggplant tomato yogurt casserole. or garlic, eggplant, yogurt, tomato casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most delicious of the eggplant recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the raita recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.